Imagine hike through the mountains and you stop to get a sip of water from the nearby stream. While sipping from the stream, you see something glistening up from just below the surface. That's gold. Shiny yellow gold. That's how the gold bug starts. Stories like that are how the gold bug spreads, and everyone in time gets the gold fever. My name is Dominique, and today I'm going to discuss what gold prospecting is, some methods available to a beginning prospector, cover some tools of the trade, as well as a few good places to visit to learn more in preparation of your first gold prospecting adventure. So what is gold prospecting? Dictionary.com states, prospect is a verb, meaning to search, and a noun meaning a likelihood of success. Gold prospecting is primarily focused on finding gold mineralizations and recovering that gold mixed within other minerals and soils. Gold can be found in many places, from mountains to oceans and all kinds of cracks and crevices and areas in between. It could be your back door, the nearby beach, or down by the river or stream. All of them are good places for your first prospecting adventure. Regardless of where you go, you get to enjoy the outdoors. Now that you know what gold prospecting is, let's look at how you can get started and learn a little bit more about gold prospecting in preparation of your next prospecting adventure. Gold prospector has many places to go and learn about gold prospecting. One of the best places is your public library. You can go there. There's a wide variety of books and magazines available to you to research and build your prospecting knowledge. I got a big base of gold prospecting knowledge from the Gold Fever TV show on the Outdoor Channel with Tom Massey as the host. He's also the editor-in-chief of Gold Prospectors magazine. Online, you may also find useful links to teach you tips, techniques, show you some of the different tools of the trade that may help you on your first adventure. Now that you know some places you can go and learn more, let's look at some of the tools and methods you may want to choose and use for your first prospecting trip. Metal detecting is fairly simple. You take a metal detector and you swing it around the land and listen for it to sound off over a hot target and dig it up and hope for gold or coins or treasure or relics. Many different types of metal detector. You got multifunctioning, that'll do gold, treasure, historical relics, things like that. And then you got specific detectors looking for gold or and gold mineralization in other hot mineralized areas. One of the simplest methods and largest used, any prospector should have a gold pan. Gold pan is used to help separate heavy gold minerals from lighter minerals and fluff off the lighter minerals and catch the heavy gold ore in the bottom of the pan. Many brands and types of gold pans are available. You need to do research and find the best pan for you. Panning won't cover mass quantities. For mass quantities of material, you may need to use something like a sluice box, a high banker, a dry washer, or even a dredge, power dredge. Those will handle mass quantities a little bit better and get it down to concentrates, which you will eventually have to pan and break down into finer gold minerals, and hopefully you can recover some stuff there. Now that you know a few of the methods and tools that you may be able to use, let's go ahead and recap what I've discussed today. And we've discussed what gold prospecting is, where you can learn a little more about it, as well as some of the tools of the trade that you may want to use on your first prospecting adventure. It's up to you, though, to go out and find the gold and enjoy the stories and share the stories and help spread that gold fever.